Have you ever wondered why we are able to see the path of sunlight passing through a small hole in a dark room? Or what happens when sunlight passes through the canopy of a dense forest? Hello students, I am Tanya Narang, your host and chemistry faculty at Aakash, and in the next few minutes we'll find the answer of all these questions. First of all, let's have a look at a very simple experiment. We have two beakers filled with water. Now, let's add sugar in the first beaker and a few drops of milk in the second beaker. As you can see, when light is shown through the beaker containing sugar solution, we cannot see the beam of light passing through it. But on the other hand, when we shine the light through the second beaker containing a mixture of milk and water, we can clearly see the beam of light passing through it. So, what is basically happening here? Why is the path of light not visible in beaker A and is visible in beaker B? You will be interested to learn that when light falls inside any medium, it interacts with the particles in the medium. Beaker B contains a heterogeneous mixture. When the light beam collides with the particles of milk, whose particle size is between 1 to 1000 nanometer, it is reflected and scattered in all directions, hence making its path visible. This interesting phenomena of scattering of light by colloidal particles is called Tyndall effect. On the other hand, beaker A contains a homogeneous mixture, that is, a true solution. The particles of sugar solution are so small, almost less than 1 nanometer, that the light beam does not get scattered. Hence, we are unable to see the path of light passing through it. So, from this we can conclude that Tyndall effect can be used to distinguish a colloidal solution from a true solution. So, can you now explain what was happening in the case of sunlight passing through canopy of forest? The tiny droplets of water in mist acts as particles of colloid dispersed in air, hence showing the Tyndall effect and making the path of light visible. Similarly, when sunlight passes through a small hole in a dark room, Tyndall effect is observed due to scattering of light by the colloidal particles of dust and smoke in the air. I wonder if suspensions scatter light or not. Well, they do, but only those suspensions whose particle size is small enough will scatter the light and make the path of light visible. Well, that's all for today, my dear students. Thank you for watching this video and keep shining like that bright beam of light.